Hello, so today we're gonna see how we can take a Polygon CDK proof and verify it into the Horizen Labs proof verification chain. So first of all, we need to identify a transaction, which is a verify batches or verify batches trusted aggregator transaction of fork ID 6 of Polygon CDK. You can take all these kind of transaction between November 2023 and January 2024 on Etherscan. So I already found this transaction. We have the transaction hash here. We have the function verify batches trusted aggregator. So what we need to do is copy the transaction hash, go to Tenderly and replace here in the URL the transaction ID. It will take a couple of seconds, but it lets you debug the transaction and gather the proof and the public input required for the verification. So now we go to the console below and check for proof field. We need to copy all of these data into a separate text editor, and then we need to copy also the pub signals, which is this big number, and put it into any kind of decimal to hexadecimal converter. After the conversion, we copy this X number and we need to attach it at the end of the proof. So the result will be a unique string in which we should remove all these double quotes at the beginning at the end of this of each row. We need to remove all the 0x apart from the first one and put everything on the single line. Now that we have this big string, what we need to do is to create the submit proof extrinsic on the proof verification chain. So in order to do that, we need to go to Polkadot.js platform. Here I'm assuming that you have some Acme token. In case you don't have, just check the guide on how to get some token. We need to choose settlement flong palette here in the extrinsic window. Check for submit proof, and then we need to paste here the string that we created before. Now the next step is to submit a transaction. So we click on submit transaction, sign and submit, sign transaction. Okay, now we see that the transaction was correctly included into a block. So the final step is to verify in the proof verification chain explorer that our extrinsic was correctly included into a block. So we go here, we go to extrinsic tab, we see that we receive an extrinsic a couple of seconds ago. We click on this one, settlement flong palette, and we verify that the extrinsic was success.